Hello everyone, this is the Key Stage 2 Succeed in Math YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're a current subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, we will be working our way through the 2018 Mathematics Paper 2 SATs Reasoning paper, and this video is part 1. I will link this exam paper in the description box below in case you want to print it out. When you're ready, let's begin. On our page here, we have our instructions. Please take a moment now to pause the video here and read through these for yourself. Question 1. Here is a shape on a grid. Complete the design so that it is symmetrical about the mirror line. Use a ruler. Now for this, make sure that you have a pencil and a ruler, in case you do a mistake so you can rub it out. Now, we're going to start off by plotting our points. We're going to start off with this point here. We can see that it is 3 squares away from the mirror line. 1, 2, 3. Now we are going to count 3 squares from the mirror line going to the left. 1, 2, 3. And that is our first point. Our next point here, we've got 1 square, 2 squares, counting the other way, 1, 2. Our third point here, 1, 2, 1, 2. Our fourth point, which is this one, we can see that it is on the mirror line, so we don't need to move it anywhere, so our point can stay there. And our fifth point up here, that's also on the mirror line, and that can stay where it is. All that's left now is to join our points together. Like so. And that is our symmetrical shape. Moving on to question 2. Question 2. Stephen completes this calculation. 95 minus 67 equals 28. Write an addition calculation he could use to check his answer. Now his answer to this question is 28, which means that if we add it to our 67, we will get 95. We're going to do this down here. 28 plus 67. Now this is going to work it out as a normal column method. 8 plus 7 is 15. We're going to write the 5, carry the 1. 2 plus 6 is 8, plus this 1 down here is 9. 95. And we can see that, yep, it does equal 95. So his calculation must be correct. Question 3. On the line below, mark the point that is 6.7 centimetres from A. For this question, we will need both a ruler and a pencil. We're going to place our ruler at the 0 point on A, like so. Make sure that it's not this end here, it's on 0. We're going to find 6.7. We've got 6.5 in the middle here, 6.6, 6.7, like so. And we're going to mark the point. Make sure to check this question again to make sure you've put it on right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.5, 6.6 and 6.7. Yep, we are correct. Question 4. These diagrams show 3 equivalent fractions. Write the missing values. We've got our first diagram. There are 4 sections and 3 of them are shaded in. So our fraction would be 3 over 4. Our next one, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We've got 12 squares, so our fraction must be over 12. And we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of those squares are shaded in. Moving on to our last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times by 4 gives us 24. Yep, there are 24 squares. How many are shaded in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 6 times by 3 gives us 18. 18 over 24. And those are our answers. Question 5. Here are the temperatures in 4 cities at midnight and at midday. At midnight, how many degrees colder, was Paris than Rome? We're going to look at our midnight. Paris was -4 degrees Celsius and Rome was 3 degrees Celsius. Our question was, how many degrees colder was Paris than Rome? We are going to take away these 2 numbers from each other. We're going to start off with our bigger number, 3 minus 4. We know that a minus and a minus makes a plus. 3 plus 4, that gives us 7. So the difference in degrees is 7 degrees. Now the second part to this question. Which city was 6 degrees colder at midnight than at midday? We're going to work them out on the side here. Paris at midnight was -4 degrees Celsius, and at midday it was -2 degrees Celsius. So at midnight it was 2 degrees colder. Now Oslo, -13 and -7. That means that it was 6 degrees colder at midnight. Now this one, Rome, at midnight was 3 degrees Celsius, and at midday it was 10 degrees Celsius. 10 minus 3 is 7. At midnight it was 7 degrees colder. Warsaw was -6 at night, and at midday it was 2. 2 minus -6, minus and a minus makes a plus. 2 plus 6 gives us 8. Now these were the difference in temperature for each of these cities. Now our question was, which city was 6 degrees colder at midnight than at midday? And we can see here that it was Oslo. Moving on, question 6. The numbers in this sequence decrease by the same amount each time. What is the next number in this sequence? The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to work out what number is being taken off each time. To get from 303,604 to 302,604, we can tell that we have minus 1,000. If you can't work this out mentally, it's alright to just lay out a column method and take away these two numbers from each other. Now if we look again, 302,604 minus 1,000 will give us 301,604 minus another 1,000 is 300,604, and we're trying to find out this next number here. So we are going to do 300,604 minus 1,000, like so. I know most people can work this out mentally. If not, do a column method like so. 4 minus 0 is 4. 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 0 is 6. 0 minus 1, we can't do that. Going over to our next one, which is also a 0. Moving over another one, which is a 3. We're going to minus 1 from our 3, which gives us a 2. And we're going to carry over that 1. Now we've got 10. 10 minus 1 from it gives us a 9, and carry over that 1. 10 minus 1 gives us 9. 9 minus nothing is 9. 2 minus nothing is 2. That gives us an answer of 299,604. Question 7. Tick the two numbers that are equivalent to a quarter. A quarter, as a percentage, we know that it is 25%. As a decimal, we just divide our percentage by 100, which means that we are moving the decimal place 2 points along to the left. If our decimal point was here, we'd move it 1, 2, which means as a decimal it would be 0.25. Now if we look at this, we can see that we've got a 0.25. We don't have a 25%. We have a 0.75. We know that it's not going to be that. We know that it's not going to be 0.5. We've got these two options left now. 25% can also be written as a fraction over 100. It would be 25 over 100. And we can see, yep, we've got that as our options. We can tick that one as well. I hope this short video helped you to understand how to work out these first set of questions in the 2018 Paper 2 Reasoning SATs paper. Part 2 is coming out shortly, so please don't miss that out. I will be posting on my Instagram account when new videos are uploaded. The link to my Instagram account can be found in the description box below. I would also greatly appreciate it for you to subscribe, and I will hopefully see you back to the Key Stage 2 Succeed in Maths YouTube channel for Part 2. Bye!